Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the number that is provided on this video and on the channel. So we're looking into real exam questions. So the one that we are going to cover now is Hannah Close to Temelhof Avenue. So let's look into this. So these are the 2 points that we have. So you can see we need to go up towards this red point. So I always say that you kind of imagine the route that you need to take, because then it's not going to take much time. And again, this has been in the exam quite a few times, so you need to focus a bit more and practice these type of questions as much as you can. So let's zoom in, and we'll start from this point and we'll come down from here, and then we'll turn left, and you come down here, take the roundabout from here, just follow the road, and come down here. There's another mini roundabout here, so just take this one, come down, and then you just need to turn left and stay on this road A406, the north circular. So stay on this side and carry on going up. Just avoid the side lines, don't touch them. And from here you go straight from here. Keep going straight. So just follow this road A406. And I'm going to zoom out here just to show you exactly we're going to do here. So the point that we have is here, so we need to take the exit from here, so we can't stay on this road that we are at the moment. So from here we'll go down here, right, and then from here you can see the roundabout here. So from this roundabout, take the roundabout, and then you go straight, and then again another one. So we are not on top of this, so it doesn't matter that we are touching this, because we are on the road that is here where you have the roundabout. So from here again you come down here and you move towards this point and move to this point, and then you can go simply straight here and then take the roundabout and get to the point. So this is the most direct route that we have here. So I'll show you here. Okay, so the only thing is here how you take the exit here. You don't need to stay on this road here, because otherwise you won't be able to get to this point. So you need to take the exit, go around these 2 roundabouts and get to your point. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.